Jalen. And the ice creams. And the dresses. Ooh, look, Mom. Nice dresses. Ooh, jewelry. Ooh, I love when they have nice music. Okay, babe. Burgers and fries. With crispy chicken in there. That place looks good. That place looks good. A fresh bubble waffle. What is a bubble waffle? Jalen, what is that? A bubble waffle. And look, here we are. Fritz Cola. Fritz Cola is so good. Okay, Mom. Did you see anything?
A lot of the bistros are going to be the same, where it's the schnitzel, the sausage.
Right.
Bistro cafes, those are the same. Oh, pizza, pasta.
Ooh, from an Italian spot. You know we like the Italians when they make them.
Maybe next time we should go to
Italy?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we
Because
should.
we're always guarded by pizza and pasta.
Maybe we should, Jalen.
The food problem is no more.
$10 for a margarita, pasta, $12 basically. Nobody's in there.
Well, they just opened, so all of the stuff just opened.
Get a drone and you fly it up there.
Yeah. Sometimes castles don't allow that though. Especially like in other countries, because you gotta get it approved.
March.
nog wat tickets, dus zou je drinken? Kijk het ticket.
Look at the view.
Dat is Aufwind. Komm.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh, I can hold you. Hold on, buddy.
So make sure Juju falls in there. And in the water.
This is a hill, man.
I see them, but do you realize that if you run, that you're going to fall really back with the Gucci lesson?
Jordan, slow down and wait for the family.
You're going to fall, being energy, go to the side. Nobody.
Looks like there's looks like no one.
Can't read it. Is it just a wine place? No, those are food. But these are the wines. Interesting.
Well, that's Tanda. So you need to ask.
Daddy.
What? Yes.
Look forward. Look forward. We are going downhill. There's going to be less likely that you trip and fall down. Going downhill, you're most likely to trip. So if you are zigzagging around or putting your foot on a step and then on the road, you are increasing your chance of falling. Straight from the back, because you're going downhill. Okay? And I don't want
Platz, um mich so ganz deutlich dahin. Ich mache es. Ja, danke schön.
We found a playground, so the kids are hanging out now, enjoying some time right on the river here. I'll spin the camera. I don't have the microphones on, so if you can't hear me, a little bouncy pad right there, enjoying the river views. And the kids are way over there on the playground, taking their shoes off right now, getting into some sand. So we just got done with Cochem. Really pretty, really pretty. The castle's up there. You can see it in the distance, right? Way over there in the distance. I'll try to zoom in. Way up there. So that was fun. And go up. Oh my goodness. Anyway, you get the point. Peace.